So hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to run your Python code on a remote machine using tox file. So as you can see, I have created a tox.ini file which has all the details like the environment list and the dependencies. So here I have marked dependencies as requirements. So if you'll see here, I have requirement file. So this particular command will install my all the requirements that I mentioned, and here I have the command section which will execute one by one, and that's it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in order to execute this command, all I need to type tox, and it will take some time because it has to create a virtual environment, and for that environment creation, for the first time, it's gonna take some time, so please bear with me. As of now, you can see that there is no tox file created at the moment in the project section, I mean tox folder, but yeah, now it has created. Now it has created Python 37 folder, and now it will install all the relevant libraries in it. So let's wait for some time. Once it is installed, what it will do, it will just start your test uh, automatically. So the purpose of me showing this demo to you is to understand how it is working on my local machine. Then when I'll just execute the same command, the remote machine using AWS EC2 instance, you'll get to know how things are working. Okay, so it should start within few seconds. Let's wait for that time. Okay, where stocks folder has already created. It has the libraries. It should be starting anytime now. As it is the first time, it's taking a bit. It's taking some time to install all the dependencies. So, so finally, you can see that the first command that's mentioned in the field is already executed. Okay, so my test has already started. So it will do the testing, and after that, it will publish the report. And once this test is completed, what I'll do, I'll just execute the same in my remote machine. Okay, so let it finish first, and then we'll go in my remote machine and execute the same test. Okay, so now I'm inputting all my details. So finally, one of my tests got completed. You can see the screen. So this is the status. If you'll see the result, it has 7 pass and 15 skipped, and now it is running the second command to generate reports. And after the report gets generated, it will just display the results on my browser itself. So let's wait for that. Now you'll see that with this command LUR generate reports, uh, a separate folder should be created with LUR reports. Okay, so it is done, and now you can see that LUR serves command is getting executed. So finally, this is my LUR report, and now you can see the test status. So this particular test has been skipped. Okay, so the details you can see on the top right corner that it is skipped. Okay, Let's go to the test that is actually executed and passed. So I have executed this one. You can see that it is passed and even the screenshots are attached to that. So that's the beauty of LO report. You can get the screenshot attached in the reports, and then we can see the graphs stating that how much is passed and how much is skipped along with the overview. So this is the general code that I have at the moment. And now what I'll do, I'll just re-execute the same thing in my remote machine without installing all these dependencies manually. So I have already opened my remote machine. Let me let me create a folder here. So I'll create a folder like, let's say, Selenium. Now inside this Selenium, uh, I'll open my command window here. Okay. Now I'll use git to copy the repository. So for that I need to get this URL. Copy this URL. I'll go to my remote machine. I'll type command git clone and then use URL. So what this will do, this will clone my project here. So if you can see now my project has been cloned here. So next thing what I need to do is to uh, drill down in the project that is created. So what I'll do, I'll just drill down in the project. So I'll navigate to this project that is Selenium with Python. Okay, so finally I'm inside this folder and here you can see all my files. Still you can see that pytest dot I mean tox folder is not there, though we have tox.ini, but we don't have tox folder. So what I'll do, I'll just clear the screen. Just bear with me guys, it's a bit slow. Now what I'll do, I'll just type tox command. So earlier you have seen that a .tox folder was not created. So what it is doing, it is just creating .tox folder and installing all the libraries in that. And if you have seen this particular, I mean this instance, I don't have a PyCharm open at the moment. So what I'll do, I'll just wait for some time. Once these dependencies get installed and my virtual environment is getting created, it will automatically launch my browser and start the testing. Okay, so let's wait. Since I'm doing this for the first time, so it's gonna take a bit more time. But yes, this is the first time activity, and, and that's the reason it's taking a bit time. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and it will start the testing as soon as we have this requirements installed on my RDP. You have seen that it has already launched, and just to show you that this particular test is being done on my remote machine where I haven't installed PyCharm or any other thing. Uh, the only requirement that I should have is it Python should be installed and tox command should be installed because I'm using tox to execute my test cases. So let's wait till this test gets completed. And just for the demo purpose, out of 3 test cases that I have just executed one and remaining 2 I have skipped, so that we wouldn't have to wait too much for the test completion. So finally, if you've seen that it got failed, okay. So I got an error like element not interactable, but that's fine. All I just wanted to dis elaborate is all I just wanted to let you guys know that it is working as fine as it was working in the remote machine. So here also you can see that we have the reports generated, and this is the status. So it got failed on the last second step. So now you can see that no such element exception is there. Cardholder name it doesn't display it. However, for the success scenarios, we can see that screenshot has been captured successfully. So that's all I just wanted to elaborate here to let you know that we can run my local test to the remote desktop using tox file, and it is very helpful. So that's all I have for now. Thank you guys. Cheers.